everyone, this is Elizabeth with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the suggested quick posts in campaigns that Keller Williams provides to post to your social media. So after logging into Command, of course you can access Command at agent.kw.com. Head on over to the left-hand menu, find the megaphone icon, which is Campaigns. When in doubt, and while you're still learning, feel free to click the red square with the white KW to expand the names, and click on Campaigns. Once that loads, it'll bring up the dashboard for campaigns, and you'll see right there in the middle, there's Quick Posts. Mine starts with the Create Your Own Neighborhood video, and then there's Why is it important to keep your credit score strong? And are you preparing to move during cold and flu season? Feel free to click this Shuffle button on the right-hand side, the middle of the page, to shuffle through these suggested quick posts. Find one that you like. I'm going to use this graphic here. Want to make your next move as safe and fast as possible. And once you've selected one, click the right-facing arrow at the bottom right of that particular design, and it'll pop up like an embedded screen of your new social post. So you'll want to look everything over with a fine-tooth comb to make sure it's exactly how you want it. So the wording here looks good. I want to keep that same picture. That looks good to me. Here's where I can also add from designs or upload images, keeping in mind that the image must be a JPEG or PNG format and smaller than 3 megabytes. Make sure my Market Center's DBA logo is here. You can always click here, click this blue text to find that logo if you don't have it. But this should be pulling from your marketing profile. Do I want that logo on the left or right? Do I want to include my ownership statement? And when would I like this to post? I do already have my Facebook connected in my settings, so I'll see my selected page here. So I just want to confirm that that's the page I want it going to, and I want to publish immediately. Once everything is 100% how I like it, I'm going to click this Accept Cookies so I can see the bottom of that pop-up. But now I can preview post here on the left, and this is what it's going to look like. And I can publish post on the right. Again, it's going to preview one more time, make sure everything looks how I want it. Click Publish Post again, and it's going to load, and you'll see the green banner that said Facebook post published across one page. Now, head over to our Facebook page and scroll down and see the post that we just posted. Of course, if you have any problems or any questions, feel free to shoot us an email and we'd be happy to help you out. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed this tip and have a great day.